I'm going to show you 4 the most important tips to level up your dynamic poses and make your drawings look attractive. So let's get started. I start with the most beginner tip to the most important one. So I have to say that without the last tip, your drawings won't look super cool anymore. So stay with me until the end. Tip 1. First tip is so easy to notice. Symmetrical poses not only look dynamic, but there is nothing attractive about them. But if I move my character a little bit, it looks better. Tip 2. Perspective is so important in drawing dynamic poses. The more the character goes into perspective, the cooler it looks. Tip 3. If the character jumps from the ground, it level up your dynamic poses. And when the character's hair and clothes are flying in the air, and facial expression is so important. Tip 4. So now this pose looks good. It's not symmetrical, it has perspective and is jumping from the ground. But we need to level up this drawing with tip number 4. So tip number 4 is this. These lines. I don't know what you call these popular lines, which are used in anime movies and mangas a lot, but I have to find the name of these. Let's search. Dynamic lines. No. Cold lines. No. Anime lines. Yeah. Oh, that's right. We can call them speed or action lines. Okay. Finally, I learned the name of these lines. That's good. Using action lines is so important to make your poses look more dynamic and attractive. This last drawing has almost all the tips that I mentioned. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to watch my drawing challenge video which I draw eyes from all popular anime characters, you can check this video. Bye!